Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold. If you watched my previous analysis on gold, I think we're around this level right here, and I said I'm expecting a bit of a buy move to my target, which was around this target before we now push to the downside. That was what I said we'll be having, because overall, if you watch my previous analysis on gold, I did a top-down analysis showing that as of right now, I still see gold as a bearish move, but because we are currently around this trend line overall, so going to the bigger time frame, we can see that we can see there's a whenever I get to this zone right here and it's giving us like a double top, there's a possibility that we're pushing to the downside. So those are like the scenarios I think we might push to the downside, but we just have to be mindful as well of this current trend line right here, because you can see it bounces off this trend line as well, and we are around that level. So that's a possibility that we might push to the upside. We just have to wait and see based on how it reacts. So this is my previous analysis, and I can see we hit my target and more. So now that that is perfectly done, let me delete that and let's see what I'm seeing right now. So what am I seeing right now? Like I said, this is just a tricky way right now. I just want more confirmation to continue to the downside, because I'm still seeing a little bit more of a down move. Let's see. So what will I like? I will like I said, it's a tricky one, so I'm going to analyze, because where we had currently, we can be selling and we can be buying. So I think I'm just going to analyze both and see how that goes. First, let me analyze the buy move. So if you're going to buy, because you can call this, there was a trend line here, you can call this a break of structure, a retest, and continue to push to the upside. That's a possibility I am seeing, so I'll probably analyze both sides first to just see. So first, let's analyze if we are going for a buy. So if you are going for a buy right at this level right here, I see it's at least you might push down a little bit. If you're going for a buy, you might push down a little bit to my target right here, which is my 78% fib level and also my 88.6% fib level, before we now continue to push to the upside. And my targets, if you know me, I'm always targeting my negative 27% fib level. So that will be my first target at. That's if you're pushing to the upside. But if I see a break of structure around this, let me delete. So that's just it. So for a bullish move, I'm seeing it coming. Bullish target, right, will be around 1996, around that area for my target, first target. But if we are on if we see a bearish move, what am I expecting on a bearish move? Well, a bearish move, I would expect at least for us to break this trend line with an engulfing candle, come back here to retest it, then in continuation, and this will be my next target. That is what I'm seeing on gold. We just have to be a little bit more patient for it to give us more analysis on what we are seeing before we take a move. But like I said, this is a very tricky what it is right now is very tricky, so we have to be a little bit more patient to gather more data for us to now know what we are thinking, what we should be doing on gold based on that current price action. So those are the two possibilities that I think of gold right now. Like I said, no one should take a trade right now. We just have to be patient for us to see more data before we now continue to either going to buy or going to sell. So all this is insightful, guys. Please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I will see you in my next analysis on gold. Thank you for watching.